Okay, this is the Pearl control system from Link4. In this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the 4-output module here. Alright, so this is a 4 relay output module. Right, so and you can see here it has a set of 4 toggle switches, these mechanical switches. You put it to the left as an auto position. You put it in the middle, off. That means mechanically override this output to off. You cannot turn it on anymore. And then you put it here, you forcing it on. Now see this indicator here turning it on, that means this output is on, meaning it's shorted. Right, the pilot relay, right on mean closed. So that output is closed, and then you put on here to auto. That means the Modbus master would happen to be the Pearl here. But it could be another device, a Modbus RTU capable device that sent the command down to turn this output on and off. Okay? These modules, you see here there's no connection to it, but it get power. But now this slave and that master is communicating through the L-bus backplane. The way you get this module off the rail, you use one of these Link4's 2 driver here, and you go here and you apply open. You go down here. You apply that open and it comes right out. You see, that's L-bus backplane there. This comes down, and these pins, male pin mate with these female pins down here. Okay. So this module here you see has 4 output on the bottom. 1 minus, 2 minus, 3 minus, 4 minus. What that means that these 4 output could be configured to be wet or dry. Right, so you see right now, put the jumper in here. That means these are all wet output. What that means, all these negative pins are connected to each other, to these 4 jumpers. But for example, if you want output 4 to be dry, for example, like a heater, you have a unit heater, and the way that heater turn on, you just short a pair of wires together. Right, so then you just take this and then you pull that jumper out there. Well, let's say do it 1. It's easier for me to put on 1, but on 1, if I put it out there, then now this 1 here is configured as dry. Right, so this minus on 1 here will not be connected to minus on 2, minus on 3, and minus on 4. Because these 3 jumpers here. If I put it back, then all 4 are connected again. Right, output 1, 2, 4. On the top here, you get 24 volts. Typically, we use 24 volt DC, but the Pearl module system will also work off 24 volt AC as well. For a panel, it's required that they all either 24 volt AC or DC. You cannot mix and match them. But they recommend 24 volt DC. Modbus RTU, RS45, AB differential signal goes here. The recommended cable is 22 gauge, shielded, stranded twisted pair, low capacitance wires. We have that available. There's an I2C here, input, right, that you can use. And that is for, let's say, a temperature humidity sensor. You can put a sensor in here as well.